I'd like to think of myself as a playful designer and one that likes to take on a lot of challenges. The more parameters that a task has, the more invested I am into it. I'm really strong at ideation, and once I start, I kind of can't stop. And combining that together, I would like to consider myself as an innovative designer. Also, as a person, I'm very playful. I'd like to think that I have a good sense of humor. I've always been interested in welfare and welfare design, and my focus on particularly my master's project has been to enhance performance and reduce the risk of injuries. I'm very ambitious, I'm very motivated, and I'm passionate. I want to succeed. That's my driver. I want to succeed and I want to make a difference.